Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy shoulder tattoo on Real Boxing. So let's get started. First, open the Real Boxing game on your device. Tap on the Customize option from the top of your screen. Here, you can find the shoulder tattoo option. Tap on it. Select the shoulder tattoo you want to buy. Before buying, make sure you have enough coins or gold to purchase it. Once you have chosen your desired tattoo, tap on the buy button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. And this is how you can buy shoulder tattoo on Real Boxing. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.